Welcome, Kumar. Thank you so much for coming. I know you've like a last minute addition to the panel, but you've come all the way from the UK and previous to that from India. So I'm really appreciate that you were able to come tonight. I was wondering if you could tell me what drew you, what led you into being interested in the blockchain? What were the possibilities you saw for yourself?
So what led me to the blockchain was there is only one word. It's Bitcoin. I first interacted with the Bitcoin in 2013, and that gave me a chance to go through the white paper published by Satoshi Nakamoto, written
Yes.
in 2009. Even I knew about this. And when I read that white paper, I saw the tremendous potential, because the white paper does not just explain about a new method or a new kind of digital currency, because the world have seen digital currencies like in 80s as well. But what the white paper was more explained was have a real thought about how a economy should work in the globalization era. The white paper also describes some of the events which was, we can say, a prediction which happened exactly before it happened. That was like for me, wow. And because I was like reading this in 2013 and the paper was written in 2009, you don't need a validation that what's written was like magic, like how you
Yes.
knew something before it happened. And so that's what bring my the attention. So
Okay.
so that's what. But what happened, like I was there in 2013 traveling around in Amsterdam, and I needed some cash because I was unlucky to leave my purse somewhere. And I was like, that's time my first time I used Western Union to get cash. That's not a bad thing, but still I'm very happy that I did this, because that's one of the event which triggered me, motivated me to build something, and that's what my recent company is about. So I'm happy with that thing. It's still event, but because of these incidents, I looked into the blockchain. But at the same time, Barclays and Nasdaq were the two early companies who jump into the space to do the research. I started my first company in 2014 to do the research in blockchain. It's called Oxesis Group. So the Oxesis Group is mostly an enterprise company which is focused on enterprise solution to for some of the big clients, uh, for government. And so that's what I started my blockchain journey, learning by myself, coding myself,
Right.
and saying that where it can make sense and where it can't. Yeah.
And what do you see the future is for the blockchain?
The future for the blockchain technology, if we talk about the public blockchains, it's huge. It's already been huge. If you see, the Bitcoin is a successful experiment.
Yes.
And if we can replicate this model into the another sectors, asset management, or anywhere where right now the banking is happening, I see, but just to in short, what I see blockchain, that it could serve as an underlying technology for all kind of banking and governance in future.
Thank you so much, Kumar. I'm so looking forward to the panel, and I know you're going to be a great contribution. Thank you.
Thank you so much.